Come test drive the 2016 Express 2500. The Chevrolet Express 2500 has soldiered on for nearly 4 decades with only one major redesign happening during that time. A rolling testament to the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" school of vehicle design. The Express offers a passenger van's timeless features of powerful engines and space, and even more space, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies